Welcome to the OE Service portal. In the next few seconds, I'll show you how our portal is structured and how to best navigate it. In the white area on the right is your user area. Here, you'll find the input field for vehicle identification. This is the first step to start any service. Below this, all previously processed vehicles are displayed clearly and in chronological order. To the left in the blue area, you'll find our menu. Vehicle identification is at the top of the list. This is where we are now. Directly below this is the Service Activities section. Here you can search for, view, or download past vehicles or service records using the date, VIN, make, or model. Under Manage Plan, you can adjust your subscription or activate additional features. In the Cost Overview, you will find all current and past invoices. Under My Data, you can change and manage master data, payment methods, or passwords. At the bottom of the menu, you also have the option to contact our support or send us feedback about the portal. Last but not least, in the menu you will find your workshop number and the option to log out of the portal. To learn more about the individual service activities, be sure to watch other videos from our portal.